We'll guide you through how to use the Vercel MCP Adapter. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and navigate to the Vercel website. You'll need to sign in to your Vercel account or create one if you haven't already. Once logged in, go to your dashboard where you can manage your projects. Find the project you'd like to integrate with the MCP adapter. Click on the project name to open its settings. In the project settings, locate the Integrations tab. Click on it, and you'll see a list of available integrations. Look for the MCP adapter in this list. If it's not visible right away, use the search bar to find it more quickly. Click on the MCP adapter to start the integration process. You will be prompted to authorize access to your project. Make sure to review the permissions and then click Authorize to proceed. After authorization, you'll need to configure the adapter settings. This might include specifying environments or selecting specific branches you want to use with the MCP adapter. Make sure to save your settings before exiting. Once everything is set up, you can deploy your project using the MCP adapter. This integration will help streamline your deployment process by managing microservices and configurations efficiently. You can now monitor the status of your deployments directly from the Vercel dashboard. If you encounter any issues, double-check your configuration settings or reach out to Vercel support for further assistance. This integration can help you take full advantage of Vercel's capabilities, making your deployment process smoother and more efficient. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.